It's Friday, which means another NEC shout-out, and this week we recognize the amazing accomplishments of 47 student-athletes named to the National Fast Pitch Coaches Association All-America Scholar Athlete list. In order to be considered for this prestigious honor, a student must maintain a 3.5 GPA or higher for the entire academic year. 47 Northeast Conference softball players were among the nation's brightest athletes. LIU Brooklyn led the NEC with 12 honorees. Robert Morris had 11 honorees, while Sacred Heart had 10. St. Francis U landed 9 student-athletes on the list, and Fairleigh Dickinson had 4. Robert Morris posted the second highest team GPA in the country with a 3.61 team GPA, coming in behind the University of Nebraska-Omaha, who had a team GPA of 3.67. This marks the 7th time that the Colonial Softball Program, led by Dr. Craig Coleman, has been among the top 4 schools in the country academically. Robert Morris is also the only Division I school to rank among the nation's top 10 in GPA in each of the past 6 years. The NEC is proud to have 47 members of the NFCA All-America Scholars, and congrats on a well-deserved shout-out. I'm Erin Bean with NEC Front Row, and we'll be back next week for another NEC shout-out.